In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or group trade with Apex and Tradovate. If you're managing multiple Apex accounts and want your orders to fire across all of them at once, Tradovate's built-in group trade feature is the simplest way to do it. Think of it as a control panel where you define a group of accounts, set the contract quantities for each, and then place a single order that's mirrored to every account in that group. It saves time, keeps entries consistent, and reduces the chance of missing a fill on one account while managing another. Start by logging in to Tradovate on your desktop or web platform. Once you're in, head to the add-ons section. This is where Tradovate keeps optional tools that extend your trading workflow. Look for Group Trade and open it. You'll be managing everything from here. Create your group by selecting the accounts you want to link. You can include multiple Apex accounts and decide exactly how many contracts each account should trade. This is important because not all accounts are the same size or have the same risk tolerance, so defining quantities per account keeps you aligned with your rules. Take a moment to double-check you've picked the correct accounts and quantities. Accuracy here ensures the right orders go to the right places. Once your group looks good, enable it. With the group activated, any order you place, whether from a chart, a DOM, or the order ticket, will be replicated across every account in that group at the same time. You'll see orders and positions appear in each account, and fills will update in parallel, which makes monitoring straightforward. If you need to pause group trading, aim or simply disable the group and your orders will revert to the active single account you've selected. If you ever need to adjust which accounts are included or tweak contract sizes, return to the add-ons section, open Group Trade, and update the group. These changes help you adapt quickly if you change account sizes, pass new evaluations, or want to scale risk up or down. A few practical tips as you use this feature. Keep an eye on margins and daily loss limits for each account, since group trading can multiply exposure. Consider starting with smaller quantities to verify everything is syncing correctly. Also, be mindful of order types and cancellations. When you cancel or modify an order, that action should replicate across the group, so confirm the new status in your orders list. That's all it takes. Log in, open add-ons, configure group trade, select accounts, define quantities, enable the group, and place your trades once to mirror them everywhere.